Welcome to Step 2 Maths. We know that quadratic equations are useful in daily life to find the solutions of practical problems like calculating areas, find a product's profit, and determine the speed of an object, etc. Today, we are going to learn about it. Applications of quadratic equations. Consider first question. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. Okay. Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence and its products is 84. Find her present age. Let Pragati's present age be x. Take the variable x. And the conditions are given 2 years ago. Okay. 2 years ago, her age, present age is x. Then 2 years ago, x minus 2. And 3 years hence. 3 years hence means after 3 years. After 3 years, present age x. Then after 3 years, x plus 3. And product of 2 years ago and 3 years hence means product of this x minus 2 and x plus 3. X minus 2 into x plus 3. That product is 84. Hence, find her present age. That means find the value of x. For that, what we will do? Find the product of these two terms. Expand it. If we expand this, x minus 2 into x plus 3, x square minus 2x plus 3x plus x minus 6 is equal to 84. When we solve this type of problems, according to given condition, first we form its corresponding quadratic equation and solve it. So, x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 84. This becomes x square plus x minus 90 equal to 0. Now, we get the given conditions are in the form of a quadratic equation. X square plus x minus 90 equal to 0. If we solve this quadratic equation, we get the value of x. That means her present age. Okay. How we can solve it? X square plus x minus 90 equal to 0. We can solve this quadratic equation either using the formula or using factorization. Is it possible to apply factorization? That is a number, two numbers whose products 90 and minus 90 and its sum is plus 1. 10 and 9. Okay. So, we can write it as x plus 10 into x minus 9. X plus 10 into x minus 9 is x square plus x minus 90. That is equal to 0. That means we get the factors of this quadratic equation. If it is difficult to write the factors directly, you can use the step-by-step factorization process. That is, first x square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. Write this plus x term as x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 equal to 0. That means this plus x is written as plus 10x minus 9x. Plus 10x minus 9x means plus x. Then take the first two terms and x as common. Then these two terms become x into x plus 10 minus, take the next two terms, 9 into x plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, x into x plus 10 minus 9 into x plus 10. Consider these two terms and x plus 10 is taken common. X plus 10 into the remaining x minus 9 equal to 0. The factors of this quadratic equation. X plus 10 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. Then we can write each term is equal to 0, equate to 0. That means x plus 10 equal to 0 or x minus 9 equal to 0. X plus 10 is equal to 0 means the value of x is equal to minus 10, and x minus 9 is equal to 0 means the value of x is equal to 9. Now we get the two values of x. X is equal to minus 10 and x is equal to 9. And we take x as the age. Age cannot be negative. So we take the value of, we take the positive value, that is x is equal to 9. So the solution of this problem is the present age is 9 years. Present age equal to 9 years. 2 years ago the age x minus 2, that is 7, and after 3 years it's 12. 7 into 12 is 84. That is the given condition. In that way we can check is it our answer is right or wrong. Okay. In this question the conditions given 2 years ago, the product of age 2 years ago and 3 years after is 84, and we assume the present age is x. That value we have to find out. That is, we taken as x and apply the given condition and form a quadratic equation according to the given condition and solve that quadratic equation. We get the solution of this given problem. Next question. The sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. In the textbook the question is given the sum of squares of two consecutive natural numbers, but there is one correction, two consecutive even natural numbers. Okay. The given condition is sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers. Okay. Let the first number be taken as x. Two consecutive even numbers. That means the second number we can write x plus 2 and their squares. The square of x is x square and the square of second number is x plus 2 the whole square. The sum of these squares, that is the given condition. Its sum means x square plus x plus x plus 2 square. X square plus x plus 2 square equal to, its sum is 244. Find the numbers. Okay. First, expand this bracket. X square plus x plus 2 square. A plus b the whole square. X square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 244. X square plus x square. 2x square plus 4x. 244 move to the left hand side, then it become minus 244, then 4 minus 244 is minus 240 equal to 0. We get the quadratic equation according to the given condition. 2x square plus 4x minus 240 equal to 0. Okay. If we go through this quadratic equation, we can simplify it again. That is, divide this equation throughout by 2. Then this equation become x square plus 2x minus 120 equal to 0. X square plus 2x minus 120 equal to 0. We form the quadratic equation. Now what is the next step? Solve it. We can solve this using either factorization method or we can use the formula. Okay. If we use the formula, then the value of x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute the values. B is 2. That is, minus b is minus 2 plus or minus root of b square is square of 2, 4 minus 4 into, here a is 1, 1 into c is minus 120 by 2a. A is 1, that is by 2. If we calculate this, minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 4 into 1, 4 into 120. 120 means 480. Minus of minus plus 4 plus 480 by 2. That is minus 2 plus or minus 4 plus 480 is 484. Root of 484, 22. 22 by 2. Okay. Then what's the value? Minus 2 plus 22. Minus 2 plus 22 is 20 by 2, or minus 2 minus 22 is minus 24 by 2. Then what the value of x? X equal to 10 and x is equal to minus 12. X is equal to 10 and x is equal to minus 12. We get the two values of x. And what we taken as x? The first natural number. That means natural number cannot be negative. So we take the value of, we take the positive value, that is x is equal to 10. The first number is 10 and second number is 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. So the solution is, the two numbers are 10 and 12. The given condition is sum of their squares. We can check with our answer. First number is 10 and its square is 100. That is, this become 100 plus x plus 2 is, second number is 12 and its square is 144. 100 plus 144 is 244. That means our answer is right. The two numbers are 10 plus 12 and its sum of squares is equal to 244. The first number taken as x and the second number x plus 2. In the question it is given that consecutive even natural numbers. So we take x and x plus 2 and according to the given condition form the quadratic equation, and here we use the formula to solve it, and finally we get the values of x, and the natural numbers cannot be negative, so we take the positive value only, and finally we get the solution.